Good day, everyone. This is Anthony Phillips Njoku, a digital trader with 10 years of experience, and today is our trading forecast for the time period of 12th December to 16th December. Anthony Phillips Njoku is a digital trader with experience in the forex market, the crypto market, the stock market, and currently I have studied from different universities in Dubai, in the United States of America, and also in Canada. I'm also managing funds for companies in Canada, in Europe, and in West Africa, ranging from $5,000 to $50,000. We also offer signal services in our community. And if you're open-minded to learn how to trade digital assets, learn how to invest in real estate, learn how to build your mindset, your skill set in the digital world, this platform is for you. Dive down to www.10xdigitallane.com and grab yourself a package, because the world is going digital. If your business is not on the internet, I'm sorry, but your business will be out of business. So if this is your first time, share this content to your loved ones, your family, to your community, and comment below, tag them, because this video could be a life changer for them. It's been a while I sent a video on YouTube. So today I'll be giving out some free hints. I'll be giving out some extra tips for you guys, because I'm here for you guys. Our passion, why we do what we do, is leadership and financial freedom. What makes our hearts sing is seeing the transformation in the lives of people in the world when they become less bothered about money and live the life that they love. So diving down into our trading forecast for the time period of 12th December to 16th December, we'll be starting with the DXY. So for the DXY, over here we see the market had a H4 optimization zone, and the optimization zone made this market to reverse. So from last week, we were at this point. We told you guys that the market is going to go up, and market went up. Then as soon as the market went up and got into the optimization zone, we told that the market is going to start falling. If you are part of our Telegram group, which I'll be dropping the link below, whereby you can be able to join our Telegram group, whereby we come online, we trade live. You're online, I'm online, the master trader is online. And as I place trades, buys and sells, apply proper risk management, make profits, you make profits. It's as easy as that. Don't be a mediocre. Don't always criticize. Take action. So the market fell when it got to our H4 optimization zone. And this is PPI, the spike of PPI to the upside. Last week, a lot of bias was meant for the DXY to be strong, to keep going up. So heading into the next trading week, we expect DXY to come down into this H4 validation point. There's a validation point to fulfill efficiency. After it fulfills efficiency over here, you start looking for the buys back into this H4 validation point and even higher into this validation point to the upside. So let's keep an eye on that. And guys, I want you guys to be aware that this week we're heading into is going to be the most volatile week in the forex market in 2022. The most volatile week in the forex market. The most volatile. We have a lot of high impact news. We have CPI, the dollar CPI coming in on Tuesday. We have CPI on Monday for the Eurozone. We have a lot of FOMC coming in. So it is a lot of volatility going to be pumped into the market before the market says goodbye for the year. So I hope you guys are ready. I'm ready. So for the Euro USD, one of our major favorite pairs is currently got to this H4 validation point on Friday. We saw our trades and we called a sell trade over here. And when the PPI market news came out, it was very positive for the dollar and it gave us a push down. We got 3% of our accounts on this trade. Then the market started rallying up. The strength of euro was not much to push dollar to the upside much further, but eventually the market ended up closing at this level. So starting up the next week, we expect market to go back into this validation point, fulfill this efficiency once more Also, it could go higher before we expect a drop towards Tuesday for the CPI, and we should come down to fill this validation point over here. Yeah, this is a validation point that has not fulfilled efficiency yet. So the market will come down to fulfill that efficiency. Then the next on our list is AUD. AUD is another major currency we like to trade so much. And if you look at AUD, we can see that AUD is currently on a running flat. Apart from every other major pair, AUD and New Zealand dollar was able to pull the strength of the dollar to the downside. They were stronger than dollar on Friday, even before and after the PPI. They pulled the market back to the upside. So we have a running flat. And for the AUD, we expect the market to go up, rally into this validation point. There's an efficiency that needs to be filled there. And we also called the trade on AUD USD. We made good profits on the PPI. So you need to join our signal services. You need to join our group. You need to come and join our community, because we offer content beyond measures. From the depth of my heart, I'm a trader with a certificate that has been verified, that I know what I say and teach when it comes to trading. I know how to handle money properly. And I want to also impart this knowledge to you. I want to also guide you in the process, how I got to that level. So you need to come into our Telegram, come into our WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever you are, join us. Wherever you are, join us, because this content we're giving is content you can't find on any YouTube channel. The content we share with you, you can't find it on any YouTube channel. If you join our website, our program at www.10xdigitallane.com, the information you get there is exclusive. So for the AUD USD, the moving flat, I expect price to keep moving up to the upside before any major reversal by CPI on Tuesday for the dollar. So this is the validation point you expect market to go into, fulfill efficiency before we expect any massive drop. The drop could be deep into this. Also, it could be deep and come down into this validation point over here. We have another validation point over here. So the drop can be very deep. And if the drop is deep, we can expect market to come down into the validation points over here. And when it gets to this validation point, we're good. But we expect market to move up. Is this move up a high probability trade? Yes, it is. Is it a must that the market to move up? No, it is not. The market could just start up on Monday and keep moving down. The same with Euro USD. It could just start up on Monday and sharply start moving down. But for the move up, it is a high probability trade. Together with the structure on the market for AUD USD, it is a high probability trade for the move up to be completed into this validation point before we start looking for sales. The next on our list is gold. Gold. So if you guys have been following up our analysis, you know gold has a seasonal move. Gold has a seasonal move. Check it. 5 years back, every November to December, gold rallies to the upside. Gold has a seasonal move. 5 years back, every November to December, gold rallies to the upside. So if you want to check this out, you can do your back testing yourself. For you to do a back test, you need to have this replay tool over here, and you need to pay Zoom a $14 fee to get this. So just pay the $14 you're meant to pay to Netflix and binge watch movies to Zoom, and you do your sorry, not Zoom, TradingView, and you do your back testing. After you do your back testing, you can be able to use that information to invest and make more money, so you can still pay up for your Netflix and for your TradingView. TradingView is a free platform. You can dive down to our links below, the link tree. Click on the link tree, and you're going to see the link where you can head to TradingView and subscribe. For sharing this value with you, if you subscribe with our link, we get a commission. So, and you also get a discount based on the payment for the monthly too. If you're open-minded to network, good. So over here, November, gold rally to the upside. It's a seasonal move, and then we got this validation point up here, and it also fulfilled this validation point on Friday before the PPI, and it dropped massively. So heading into next week, we expect gold to still go back into this validation point, fulfill the efficiency before the drop to the downside. That's what we expect gold to do. So there are some orders lying here. It could go higher. It will go higher. And then before we see some massive drop to the downside, the market could open up and just keep dropping to the downside. But is there a high probability trade? Yes, that the market will go up. If for scalpers, I should tell you guys, you could take the trade for the upside for scalpers, but for swing traders, wait for the sell trades, because that's where the major moves are. Then the next on our list is oil. I will attach our last trading forecast. I talked to you guys about Russia, and I talked to you guys about the oil price per barrel that needs to be determined for the Russia oil. And when I said this, the market was at this point. The market was about $82 per barrel for oil. But currently, as I'm speaking to you, the price per barrel is at $70 per barrel. They have determined the oil price for Russia oil to $60, and I don't expect any major rally to the upside, massive rally to the upside, until prices come down to $60 per barrel for the US oil. So coming into next week, we had a massive rally to the downside. This rally, the meeting between Russia and United States of America at Istanbul, this could be a factor to it, because price needs to be stable for a trade to be executed. You wouldn't expect one party to sell higher and one party to sell lower. So my major target is $60 per barrel. So we're expecting price to keep going down and down. So for those guys that trade oil, we're expecting market to rally to the upside. You can use your fib over here at the 62 or 50 before we start seeing any major sells to the downside. The major target is 60. For those that enter the sell orders over here, we called out this trade. For those that enter the sell order over here, because we had a validation point over here, and the market fulfilled efficiency before it started dropping massively. So for those that entered the trade over there, good for you. Good for you. So right now we're expecting a minor correction, not a reversal, and then we keep going down. The target is $60 per barrel. Mark this day. I'll attach my video where I mentioned this earlier. So that's the price for oil. Then for Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, this is a lot of noise. Over here, this is a lot of noise. Exactly what you see here is exactly what we see here. This is a lot of noise. Everything you see here is a lot of noise. Everything is a lot of noise. So for Bitcoin, what we see here, we see an ascending triangle, and there's a lot of noise over here. Major support and resistance, accumulation of orders. For the investor perspective, good. You can buy. But for the trading perspective, we expect market to go up, grab some liquidity before the massive drop again. So our target is 15K, 12K, 10K. So if you're an investor, you can buy right now or wait when it gets to 15K, 12K, or 10K, then you buy. So that's it for our trading forecast. Thank you so much for being on today's trading forecast. Like you all know, my name is Anthony Phillips Njoku, and as a digital trader, what I have an advice for those upcoming traders, those listening to this now, upcoming traders. I have been in this industry for a long time, and my advice for you is don't trade because you have the passion to trade. No, don't go into any business or career because you have the passion to go into that. My mentor, the author of So Good They Can't Ignore You, you can Google that. His advice is before you select a career, you need to have 5 things in mind cleared. 5 things in mind. The first thing is, does this give you autonomy? Does this career give you autonomy? Autonomy. You can check Google for autonomy. Does this career give you autonomy? If this career gives you autonomy, which means that you can work when you want, how you want, where you want, and why you want. That's why I chose trading. It gives me this autonomy. If you master this skill, are you ready to master this skill? Do you want to be seen as a number one in your community, number one in your country, number one in the world when it comes to this skill? Do you want the world to know you for the number one in this industry? Are you ready for that? You need to be sure before you go into any skill, whether trading, whether programming, whether real estate. You need to be sure to answer this question. You can't be so good and hide your skill under the clouds. No, you need to put it on the table. You need to put your candle on the table so it can shine. The light needs to shine. So are you ready to let the world know that you're a master in this skill? Then are you ready to impact people? It could be because you want to impact people that you choose a career, not because of passion. Some people do things because they want to impact others in their community. Are you ready to connect? Are you ready to connect, 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 connect? Some people do things to connect to other people, greater mentors. They do this to connect to greater individuals. They do this to be able to reach out to their community, have a tool to give to their community. So do this because of this. Don't do this because of passion. Passion fades. Consistency will fire up this passion when you start seeing results. Results with consistency, or consistency with result, fires up your passion. So stick to that in your mind. So the right philosophy is for you to what? Build up your passion, the meaning and endeavors by getting results. Focus on results and consistency, coming to this chat every single day for 360 days in a year. That is what's going to give you the results. Passion will fade. It will. So for next week, the days we need to focus on is Tuesday, December 31st. We have the Australian dollar. We have the European Euro CPI. We have the dollar CPI. And on Wednesday, we have the Euro CPI. Okay, so these are our news for next week, and I hope this is going this got you pumped up. This got you pumped up because if you're not pumped up, I'm pumped up. So I want you guys to dive down to our website once more. Get yourself a package. We have a 20% discount going on right now. If you go grab that package, you get a 20% discount instantly. at www.10xdigitallane.com. We have more mentorship content on there. We have more real estate content. We have our forex trading content. We have our crypto trading content on the back office. So go there right now and grab yourself this content, because procrastination is a thief of time. You keep procrastinating, you keep procrastinating. Before you know it, you're old. And you'll be like, if I knew, I could have given it a shot. But why didn't you give it a shot? Give it a shot and go all in. Give it a shot and go all in. All in on it. All in. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone, for being on today's trading. I wanted to show you guys my portfolio, but it seems like it's okay. Over here is my live trading portfolio. It's loading up to tell you that I'm a real trader. And these are live trading portfolio for a time period of it's loading up. I think it's October to December. Yeah, so over here we had a deposit of $200, and so far we have made a withdrawal of $349. We have a gain of about 409.93%, and a daily gain of 1.59%, a monthly gain of 61.68%, a drawdown of 26.23%. These are current balance. We still have our balance of $200 there, and these are our trades, this month's trades, and this was this year trades. So over here is the total trades, 101. So you guys can see that what we say, we do what we preach. We don't preach what we don't do. So these track records. If you come to my DM or comment below, I could share more insights on how you can get started instantly. Thank you so much for watching to the end. And as an extra tip, anyone that sends me a message within this trading week of December 12th to December 16th, I'll be giving you guys a special package that's going to earn you a massive investment return. This package will not be disclosed, but if you take the opportunity, you run with it. Do have a wonderful trading week. Good luck.